Hello everyone and welcome to another while loop solution series. This time we're working through worksheet 2, starting with question 0. Create a program that prints out the numbers from 1 to user inputted number and back down to 1. Let's start with our quick and easy input. Let's grab a number from our user and input, enter a number. Then let's start our processing and output. So we need a variable to loop around with, so we're gonna need a start variable. And go while start is less than num. I know I want to include the num, but I'm actually gonna do the second loop. You'll see why. We're gonna print start, and we're gonna go num plus 1, sorry, start plus 1, and every iteration. I'm just gonna run this portion here. If I run that code, if I enter 5, it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then start becomes 5 to end that iteration. So I'm going to use that number and add the second iteration to go downward. I'm going to say start is greater than 0. We're going to go print start, which is going to print out 5. Then I'm going to subtract 1 every time to my start variable. This time we're going to go up to 5 and back down to 1. This way I don't repeat the output of 5 multiple times, nor do I output 6 if I was ending up to 5. Thank you for watching. Stay classy.